Okay, there we go. Each of these ones just kind of pushes up the water a little bit. So yeah, this one is a little bit of flooding. I guess in other parts it's like 5 to 8 feet maximum. This is just a small part. But we're going to explore and just kind of see some of the damage that's around here as well.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da polvilhinha, chiquinha。
一个美丽的童话中，走来一群可爱姑娘，小小的个子，美丽的衣裳，那是拇指姑娘。小的嘴巴，眼睛闪亮，那是拇指姑娘。心里手巧，智慧聪颖，长着翅膀快乐飞翔。拇指姑娘，拇指姑娘，拇指姑娘，在神秘的幸福的生活中，一个美丽的童话中，走来一群可爱姑娘，小小的个子的衣裳，那是拇指姑娘。那个上午秀丽可爱，她和小鸟一起唱。
Okay, so we got this part right here, so we're just going to walk over and just kind of see these motorcycles are up, so that means somebody came up and put them up. Then we're just going to see what we can see over here. Actually, this isn't too bad. It's noon, so the bulk of the storm happened last night, and but actually this isn't too bad. Like, so you see some of these bigger trees went down, but that's actually not bad. Like two years ago and 3 years ago, especially 3 years ago, Hado just completely destroyed a lot of these trees. Like just these ones are just like completely broken in half. And I think actually these ones that have the green scaffolding, I think are ones that maybe were uprooted last time. Yeah, this kind of stuff. So I don't know where this one came from. Is there anything over there that it would have came from? So, okay. Not too bad. And it's definitely damaged. You can see all the trees over there as well. We'll walk all the way down. The reason I'm walking kind of fast is because it's raining, and there's a lot to see. There's a lot to see all over the city today, so I'm going to be filming quite a bit and putting up a lot more videos, so just kind of stay tuned for that. Yeah, it's actually, yeah, I remember like 3 years ago, especially Hado, wow, there was like these massive trees, and it's, you know, ripped up all the cement and everything. Like this is nothing like that. So and actually this is kind of a good time to film because this one's a lot lighter of a typhoon, so I think that they'll have it cleaned up a lot faster. That Hado one, it took like, man, I'm gonna say it took like 1 to 2 weeks. Like this stuff was like there for, like this path I remember had a lot of stuff from the other typhoons, and it just stayed there for so long because they had so much bigger things to address in the city. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that tree is not too bad. I mean, it's not a big tree like those other ones. Man, these other years were just unbelievable. Anyways, I have a lot more stuff I want to film in this city, so this is just a small taste of it, really. So kind of want to get over to where the flooding is at, like the big serious flooding. This is not lowlands at all, so. All right. So maybe we'll just end it right there, right here. I mean, I wonder if somebody already moved these into this spot like that. It's weird that they would fall in that way. Yeah, it's hard to say. Anyways, I gotta get around and start filming more of the city, so so by the time you see this, I'll be back home and I'll be slowly trying to put up as many as I can, because people will be interested in it now than at some other later time. Okay. These things are actually kind of stronger than you think in the wind, so they'll kind of flap around, and there's a brick right there. All right, let's go check out more parts of the city. This is pretty common, all these ones that kind of get ripped off like that. I don't know how many viewers see typhoons or not, but okay, anyways, let's go see other parts of the city.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Let's go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button.